Hey, you're with Dave Staublin, and today we are going to talk about the midpoint formula. Okay, so if we have a line that goes from point A to point A is represented by an XY coordinate, and in this case it is 3, 2, and point B is also represented by an XY coordinate, and it's represented by, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And it looks like it's up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let me check that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep, okay. So one of the first things that we want to do is break this diagonal line or this angular line into its components. So in a sense we can think about this as a horizontal section and a vertical section. If we want to travel from A to B, we can go directly there, or we can go horizontally and then vertically. So this point right here is, let's see, I'm going to label this XA and YA and XB and YB. This point right here is up the same amount as the A point, so its Y value is YA, and this point here is out the same distance as point B, so it's got the same X value as B. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Finding the midpoint of this is hard, but finding the midpoint from here to here is pretty easy. In a sense, what we're going to do is we're going to say, well, how long is this line segment? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we divide that by 2, and it's 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's halfway on that line segment. And this point right here is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's up 4, so halfway is 2. And so if you see where those two things intersect, that is going to be the midpoint of that line right there. So let's see if we can figure out how to get this point right there. So this is the x coordinate, and so if we want to get the x coordinate right there, what we're going to do is we're going to take this 11 plus the 3, and let's see, that is 14, and then we're going to divide by 2 to get 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then to get the y value, we're going to go up this amount, which is 2, and then we're going to add this amount, which is up 6, so that's 8, and if you divide by 2 you get 4, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you take this number and this number over 7 up 4, you get the midpoint of the line segment AB. So essentially what we're doing is this 11 is the x value of the B, and we're adding to it the x value of the A, and we're dividing by 2. And this y value, this 2, is the y value of the A, or I'm going to use the A, and then we divide by 2. It's basically those two numbers right there, the 2 and the 6. So, all right, so that's how we're going to do it. Let's summarize. To get the x value of a midpoint, it's going to be the x value of the first number plus the y value of this, or the x value of the second, divided by 2, and the y value of the midpoint is going to be the y value of the first plus the y value of the second divided by 2. That is the midpoint formula.